Hey Diamond, you got any milk?
Yes, in the fridge.
Josh, can you grab me some milk?
We don't have any milk, but I can get you some milk. That's what he just said.
Nah, you're saying it wrong. You're saying milk, like it's a disease.
How do you say it?
I say it the way everyone ought to say it. Milk, M-I-L-K.
Yeah, like 2%.
Yeah, like whole milk.
No, say milkshake.
Milkshake.
No, say milk.
Milk.
Are you hearing this? The man just wants a glass of milk. Milk? Give him the milk, Josh.
Donovan, inside voices, please.
Sorry, Dad. My white friend.
Josh, pour me a glass of milk. Why are you yelling at me?
Give him the freaking milk.
You guys aren't even saying the same thing.
Oh, say milk, Josh.
No, you're saying milk. You're saying
Milk.
milk. Shut up! Just shut up!
Don't do it, Josh. Don't do it, Josh.
You're not gonna shoot me if I shoot myself? That doesn't even make any sense! Put it down, Josh!
Josh,
put it down! Josh!
Josh, put it.
Put your guns away!
Josh, put it down.
You're like a brother to me! Your parent is like a brother to me! I'm gonna kill myself over this!
And then we pull the trigger. All of us.
No, we're not filming something like this.
Well, why not?
It's getting dark. I don't know.
Oh, little kitty.